Maximus Analysis here for December 12th, 2016, and this is the ES on the weekly time frame. Going to keep things kind of simple. Again, here is not the time to go by. I don't care what you're feeling, you're going to miss out. Again, the targets that I have are 22.72 on the upside as regards to the top. Again, they could squeeze. The max I could see is 2300. But this is a major level again, 22.72. Again, last time you guys saw me put a number out like that, it was 21.86. Again, they got a little bit above that, but they came back and tested it again here this week and enrolled. Okay, I have pinned on my Twitter, actually my newsletter from July 22nd. We're in the same type of euphoric silliness in regards to the media outlets, people saying I want to get in. I actually got on my Facebook page, people like, oh, I want to get in, I want to get in, want to get in. I got people I know, at the barber shop, people was telling me like, oh, what is it time to buy? Is it time to buy? I'm like, oh God, here we go. Like, this is just not the time that, the fear of missing out is something that's going to be all over you when you see a move like this and you're not in it. Again, the only pullback we got was just one single week. Again, somebody might put a small flag. I don't trade breakouts. Again, I had a quarter size position, meaning 3/4 of the position was not taken because of the risk of holding over the elections. But since then, you've only had one inside bar. Not taking a long here. I don't care what anybody says. I suggest that you just kind of, unfortunately, it's going to have to be a mean conversation. You got to grow up. In order to be a trader, you have to miss trades. And sometimes you could take a quarter position if you don't feel extremely comfortable, but you're going to have to take the position. But right now is like, where are you putting your stop? Below last week's low? Okay, that'll be 2 weeks low. And again, that'll be a sneeze away from 3 weeks low. Okay, let's really dig into what we got going on here. Okay, I'm not taking a long here, and I suggest you not take one as well, to just be mature about it. 4,600. 4,900 on the NQ. Going to the NQ now. Don't like this type of pattern. Again, halfway back of this week's candle is 47.96. So basically the $4,800 level is what needs to be held here. Okay, just watching. Has not cleared above that, but we have our upside potential. This is not a pullback to me. This is one bar down, one bar up, bipolar type of movement. You have to keep to the bull side without a break of the 46.7450 area. Okay, this is not a time to get stupid and just blindly go long. If it's part of your strategy, I'm not telling you that you're stupid to get long. But if you don't have a strategy at all, and now you're feeling like a frenzy to go buy, make sure you're looking at the charts, put your stop at the right area. And your stop would be at the minimum of 46.75. Minimum. Last week's low. Just got to trade the information that you know. Again, I'm not a fan of the YM at all. The Dow only has 30 names, and they can be tossed around as being. Again, you had Goldman Sachs was down $5. But again, it has had an epic run. So that's fine, dude. I get it. But Johnson & Johnson is $3. It's made a $3 run. Again, this is a great looking chart. But I just don't know, things move all over the place in regards to these names. So again, you have Walmart. Again, still not over the 50% mark here. Again, if you're always looking at my stocks, you can always see the ticker to the upper left and the name of the symbol, and also the W is the weekly time frame. Don't really care about that. At the end of the day, it's been chopping sideways for a long, so let it kind of flush itself out either one way or the other, and just wait for the proper trade. Looking at crude. Now, crude is just something funny to me. And the funny thing is that it gapped up. Okay, the target was 53.50, got above that today. Again, this is the J contract. Let me use the continuous contract. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame for crude oil. I'm not getting long this. Again, this is where I would be probably taking my whole position off. The target here was 53.50, and there it went. Okay, that's it. I'm waiting for a pullback to get in some note, and I'm not taking a breakout because again, we're just gonna put your stop under here. That's $3. That's $3 grand on this contract alone if you have one single contract. You could say, I don't trade that. I trade the USO. I don't care what you trade. You don't trade the breakout. You wait and understand there's ebb and flows with the markets and be an adult with your money. And a lot of people break their ass to get this money that they're trading with. Don't just go piss it away because again, you feel like you're missing something. You will be able to find the trade again. Again, I'm the voice of reason, unfortunately, with a lot of people that really don't look at the news. Again, they don't know what, not that they don't know what the hell is going on, but you can almost use them as a contrarian type of indicator with regards to how mouth-foamingly bullish they get or mouth-foamingly bearish buy put protection when we are seeing dips or we're seeing retracements. Okay, before the election, the sky was falling. And overnight, quite honestly, I didn't know where it was going to go. I just knew that I had limited risk and I was willing to do that. Okay, it takes patience. You have to wait for your pullbacks. You have to wait for your oversold, overbought indicators, whichever ones you use, and kind of just be an adult about it. So again, I'm putting this out there because again, I don't want to put a ton of material out. Because quite honestly, I don't know who's watching, who's reading. Again, the newsletters. Sorry for those who have the newsletter. I've had some family issues over the last 2 weeks. So that's why the newsletter hasn't gone out. Working on some of that, but it's very important with my family that I take care of this stuff first. Try my best to teach and help as much as possible. And again, I actually had a guy, Peter. I really appreciate you shooting me an email to say, can you send out some, I really enjoy reading my newsletters. Again, you could go to my Twitter page. I'm not here to BS you, but again, I find that it's really quality stuff that you can go through on a weekly basis. Now, going back to ES last and definitely not least, again, not here right now, going to gold. Again, it still hasn't broken a weekly high. Pulling back very, very deep, very deep. You don't want it. If it gets back above this 1189 area, we'll look to see how much juice it has going. Again, that would be the buy signal. Again, 3 weeks back, I said just wait for a buy signal, and it would have saved you. Even if the option to theta burn for 2 weeks would have saved you enough heartache and grief, and you can kind of wait and see how things set up. You might not be the first out the foxhole, but sometimes that's okay when you have such bearish move to the downside. Again, we'll continue to watch things here. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to email me at MaximusAnalysis.com or comment in the comment section below, and we'll see what happens. Again, do not go long here. I don't care if it runs without you. Be an adult and understand that there's strategies, because guess what? Even looking at this gold trade, there was a ton of people got long right here. Right here. Here is the long. Here is not the long. I got long here and got stopped out. Okay? And that's fine, but I'm not taking any sideways chop, and I'm waiting for it to at least give me a bounce. And did I make money? Yes. Did I make all I wanted? No. But again, that's the reason why they call this trading, not money harvesting. Take care.